Hi fam, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, you are welcome. Hi, my name is Blessing, and if you are a returning subscriber, of course you are welcome. So today's video is going to be a DIY oil, and today on our list we are doing carrot oil, as you can see right there. So if you want to see how I make this carrot oil, keep on watching.
Do you want to know?
So guys, to make a carrot oil, I have 2 large carrots here. So the next thing I'll do is just to go ahead and peel the skin off. You can use the skin by just washing it, but I prefer to clean it by peeling the skin off.
A million stars here in the shadows. I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way.
So after that is done, I'll just go ahead and grate it, and I'm using this small grater here, and I'm using 2 types of grater. So first I'll grate one using this my grater here, and I'll just grate it, and I'll grate it into a very small tiny particles. So you don't want your carrot to be too big. You can use a food processor, you can blend it, but I just want to use my grater. So I guess this one is easier for me.
If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit.
So like I said earlier, I said I'm using 2 graters. So after grating one of the carrots using the other one, and then I'll go ahead and use this my grater here to grate the one of the carrots. The reason I use this one because I don't want every of the carrot to be equal, so one is more smoother than the other one. So here I'm done grating my carrots. I'll just go ahead and cook it. So here in my pan, and I'm using my pot, and I'm using 80-inch centimeter pot. So and for my oil, I'm using coconut oil, and I'm using pure virgin coconut oil. So you can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, you can use almond oil, just any oil of your choice, but I prefer to use this. So I'll just add little to the pot before adding in my carrots. So after that, I'll just go ahead and add my grated carrots, and that oil I add is not enough because I'll continue to add oil to it. So I'll just go ahead to add more of the coconut oil until it cover the carrots that I blended. So I'll just go ahead and continue to mix and cook in a very low heat. You have to use a low heat because you don't want a high heat. If you use a low heat, it will cook gradually, and the oil will infuse very well, and the carrot will infuse on the oil very well. So you have to use low heat. You can see the color have started changing. Carrot oil contains high level of vitamin A and E and beta carotene, which are essential nutrients for your hair health. Carrot oil can be used to protect the skin from ultraviolet rays and have a strong anti-aging property due to its rich vitamins. So you can use carrot oil to grow your hair. You can use carrot oil for your skin, to brighten your skin, to tone your skin. So carrot oil have a lot of benefits, and make sure to share the description box for more details. So guys, now that the carrot is done, so I'll go ahead and turn it in a bowl, and I'm using a glass bowl to cool it down a little bit because I don't want to extract the oil while it's very hot. So that is what I'm doing right now. Just let it cool for some minutes, not completely cool. So right now my oil is cold and is a bit still warm, so I'm just go ahead to use my cheesecloth to strain the oil out. So guys, that is what I'm going to do, and I'll continue to just use. You can see the carrot oil. Oh my word, it's so beautiful to the eye. So guys, I'll just keep on pressing the carrot to make sure that all the oil is well extracted from the carrots. So I'll continue to do that. You see those white things you are seeing, these are some water. You know carrots contain water, and you know that I also use coconut oil, so it might be that is getting solid, so I'll also melt it in the hot water. So for my essential oil, because I'm using this on my skin and hair, I'm going to add my lavender essential oil just to add some scent. If you want to use it to cook, you don't have to add essential oil, or you can just divide it. You want to use for your hair and you want to use for cooking. So for my container, which is this small container, just go ahead to store it there. So with this, I can use it for a month, I can use it for 2 months. It does not spoil. That is the benefit of DIY. You can know what you are putting on your body. So these are what I got from the 2 carrot oil that I did. These are so beautiful. So guys, this is how to make your carrot oil. Hope you learned something from this video. Hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like, share with others, and also leave your comments in the comment section. Then of course I'll be there to reply to all your comments. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you. God bless you for your support. God bless you for supporting me. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you guys. So guys, that is how it goes. That's how I make my carrot oil. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.